What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you the steps necessary in order to create a simple and beginner-friendly website with WordPress. Now, first of all, you need to go to Hostinger or any hosting service of your choice, such as Bluehost, Hostinger, or others. In this video I'm showcasing the procedure on Hostinger. And all you need to do is to create a new website. So go ahead to the Websites tab. Of course, depending on your hosting provider, these steps might vary a bit, however, the workflow is the same. Click on Add Website, and here you have the option to use WordPress as a website builder. Click on WordPress. And here I'm asked to building a site for myself or for someone else, for myself. Okay, and now I'm asked to create credentials for WordPress, so an administrator email and password. So okay, let's just edit one letter. Okay, next. Now the website type, let's say it's a blog. Okay, next. And then I need to choose from a pre-built template or a standard themes here. Let's go with pre-made templates. And now they give me the templates specifically made for blog, since I chose blog. Of course, the templates that you see might be different depending on the website type. Let's choose this one, select it. And then here, do you want pre-selected plugins? Okay, I need these pre-selected plugins, or no, I need to select plugins for myself. Now, there are some majorly important plugins that you need to install, such as, of course, a website builder, such as Elementor, if you want, or Beaver Builder, if you want the ease of them, and an SEO plugin such as Yoast or others. Now, just go ahead and use these and once you get to your WordPress admin, you can install others. Now here I need a domain name, so I'll enter my domain name here or use a temporary domain in case you are just not you haven't bought a domain name yet. And then once you hit next, you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard where you can install plugins that you want and continue editing your website.